Did you know that a simple kitchen staple could be your secret weapon against inflammation? Olive oil isn't just a delicious addition to your meals, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the science behind olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties and how it can support your overall well-being. For centuries, Mediterranean cultures have revered olive oil for its culinary and medicinal properties. But what makes it so special? The answer lies in its rich composition of healthy monounsaturated fats, polyphenols, and antioxidants. One of olive oil's most powerful compounds is oleocanthal. Studies show that oleocanthal has similar effects to ibuprofen, a common anti-inflammatory drug. It works by inhibiting inflammatory enzymes, reducing pain and swelling naturally. Regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil has been linked to lower levels of inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP. This can be especially beneficial for individuals dealing with chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even neurodegenerative disorders. Including high-quality olive oil in your diet can significantly reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key drivers of many chronic diseases. So how can you maximize the benefits? Choose extra virgin olive oil, EVO-O. It's the least processed and retains the highest amount of antioxidants. Drizzle it over salads, use it for light sautéing, or even take a teaspoon daily for a concentrated dose of goodness. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards reducing inflammation and enhancing. So, the next time you reach for cooking oil, make it extra virgin olive oil. It's your natural ally against inflammation. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.